It's Beck here from Ecoheads. Let me show you how the Ecoheads Showerhead will actually save you money, time, water, and energy. We all know that color is the most common, valuable, and time-consuming service in the salon. Using your normal shower head with a decent pressure, it will take you about 6 minutes to rinse one head of color, and you'll be using around 60 liters of hot water. With the Ecohead shower head, it will only take you 2 minutes using 11 liters of hot water. So on every head of color, you will save 49 liters of hot water and 4 minutes of your time. Which means that on every 15 heads of color, you will save 1 hour of your time and 735 liters of hot water. That's just one salon service. Think about how much more you will really be saving when you take into consideration rinsing out treatments, bleach, tints, and shampoos every day, week, month, and year.